I'm Dr. Craig Pullman, psychologist and author of Revealing Minds. Throughout these modules, I'll be sharing ideas about learning and learners. In this segment, I'll talk about why a neurodevelopmental approach is so important. But first, I want to relate the tale of two dishwashers. Bear with me, this will make sense. The first home my wife and I owned had a dishwasher that developed a leak. Every time we ran it, a puddle of water formed in the kitchen floor. Called the repairman, and in short order, he found a small rusted hole in the tank of the dishwasher. We later moved into a brand new house with a brand new dishwasher, and of course, it also leaked. When I couldn't find a rusted hole, I again had to call a repairman. When this guy was done, he told me we had several things going on. Water depth floater was sticky, inflow too strong, front legs needed lowering, etc., etc. What struck me about these situations was that what seemed to be the same problem, leaky dishwashers, could have very different causes and different solutions. So when we're helping struggling learners, we need to look deep for causes and then generate the right plan for the situation. Let's not settle for diagnoses and labels like ADHD or LD. It's more useful to think about profiles of learning abilities. In upcoming courses, you'll be learning about the mental abilities or constructs that make up the neurodevelopmental framework. This framework is how we organize what we observe in students. It can help us make sense of what we see and also help students understand themselves. One of these constructs is attention, which includes the ability to focus and the capacity to plan, organize, and avoid impulses. The framework includes memory, and we all know how much students have to memorize in school. Language includes receptive ability for listening and reading and expressive ability for speaking and writing. Higher order cognition is the set of abilities related to logic, reasoning, creativity, and the understanding of concepts. Social cognition is thinking about social cues of all sorts and the navigation of relationships of all kinds. Spatial ordering is nonverbal or visual thinking, while temporal sequential ordering is thinking about serial information. Finally, neuromotor function encompasses the brain's connection to muscles to control movements. These constructs work together like the components of a computer. Memory is like the mind's hard drive and random access memory, or RAM. Higher order cognition, language, social cognition, spatial ordering, and temporal sequential ordering are the thinking constructs, and they are the mind's microprocessor. Attention is the mind's Wi-Fi, the pathway for information to get to the hard drive or microprocessor. Attention also plays a role in the downloading process, getting information out of the mind in organized ways. Finally, neuromotor function is the connection between a computer and a printer. In upcoming courses, you'll be learning more about each of these constructs, including the important roles they play in schoolwork. We'll revisit this idea of the brain as a computer to help you understand how the constructs interact. By the end of the courses, you'll be well versed in neurodevelopment and you'll be equipped to figure out what's going on with struggling learners, just like a plumber figuring out a leaky dishwasher. I'll see you next time.